Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ha ka jingbut din ya ka jingja syak penyap jong unong wan jengokai perthai na Indur, Madhya Pradesh, u Raja Raghuvanshi Hasora. U Superintendent of Police uba Vivek Syiem, IPS, uloang bakidan shibun bha ki jingetho, bar ka jing Phla balami na ka Sonam Raghuvanshi, bar ki weipat ki bala syakem, halor kate ka jingja, Hynrei ula benrap pat, ban aipor shua ya ki bor pulit bakin toket benya ya baro sangut. Kenang bakin la banyo ya ka eka jingja ka bashisha bat ka batikena. Bar hadian kata, onsa ya lampat ya ki sya sora bakin batay ya ka ka bakilale. Habakran chiki kat tu kat ningut kilat patay kubor mentakas ni ka katway tarik ubanay jiliw arhajar apusan. Uba Vivek Syiem, uloang baka jing toket ya ki sangut ki brio ki bakin thopru ya ka kurim jong Raja Raghuvanshi kata ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kan sedang no shen. Uloang balapan por hado shipos ni ban toket ya ki teki brio ki badon kti. Hynrei lada don kam palat nang taru kin sedang penjalan susu ya ki sni ban toket ya ki sangut. Uba Vivek Syiem uloang bahado menta ki don sangut ki bala syakem halor ka jing don kti jongki ki bakan thop ya ka kurim u Raja Raghuvanshi ka Sonam Raghuvanshi u Raj Kushwaha u Vishal Chauhan u Akash Rajput bat u Anand Kumri bat ong bakat ba ka jing toket kadang ya chakmat ansala bantip bahatu ki don kti tang sangut ni kidang don saki weipat. Habakali hatu ki bahayeng hasem jong ka Sonam ki don kti halor kanik kampenyap USP uloong bamenta ka jing toket kadang sedang bat on setiap kam hadien lada don ki weipat ki badon kti lang. USP uloong bawatla ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kampat Phla bakadei maka ka badon kti halor kanik kampenyap ya ukurim u Raja Raghuvanshi Hynrei ka jinglet bankyam yaka kadei bet katkum ka Sabut Kiba Khlaiñ bha balayo persyaya ka. Uba Vivek Syiem uloong bakaplan jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi bat ki parlok jong ka kala pulom no tang hadien hnyosngi balathau ya ka kenhun Special Investigation Team kabatoket halor kani ka jingja.
So development from last night till date now.
Last night we actually they are in transit only. So one team had reached at night or early morning. And the other team had reached this morning at around 8:39. So both different timings, and after that medical examinations have been done of the accused, and we'll be producing in court. I think as we speak now, production may be taking place. So that is the activity which has happened since yesterday.
So what about the interrogation?
Interrogation will start very soon. Once we've got the remand in order, police remand, interrogation will start.
Because there are reports that they admitted to the crime and
See, I don't know. We have not brought, and we have not even got our remand out here yet. Let us not speculate. There are so many things that preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence.
So how many days you will be seeking custody of them?
See, we are, I think we are asking for 10 days, and if we require more, then we will extend our request for remand.
Any more arrests apart from these 5?
No, 5 till now, and then as investigation progresses, then we will be able to ascertain whether only these people involved or other people involved.
They will be taken to Sora tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow yet.
You are not decided?
No. We have to examine them first. Once the examination has been finalized, statements recorded, we get to the facts of the matter and all that, then SIT will decide on a date where they will go for reconstruction of crime scene.
Can you also tell us about the speculation about the pregnancy test of Sonam?
Yesterday, a thorough checkup was done in Khlaiñ hospital. So they had done a check on a pregnancy, and it appears negative. But again, they will recheck her, I think, after the 24th.
Because there is a deviation from taking them to civil hospital. So what is the reason?
No, not them, just her only. Because Khlaiñ's woman-related hospital and neonatal treatment is out there. So it was the best of things that we had taken her to Khlaiñ.
So other four were?
No, the other 4 are actually examined by a registered doctor only.
Oh, they are only?
Yeah.
In the Sonam police
station.
What was the reason that they were not taken to civil hospital? Yeah, who
No,
gives-
because we've got the registered doctor, police registered doctor. We need to examine them.
But is it necessary that I mean, like they can be examined in medically?
By any registered government registered medical officer.
Okay.
So beli ke dorjong u beri u basau badan bentah ha ketua jeng company beli kam penmi ya ke dorjong
Do you know?
jong u wei naman hang tungi i batang lain ki beri ki belapan iya ke dor beli pat jong u food percent kamdan ke dor ke
Or let's say di pat hak kopor yo kem shalangot di ubasau pat ni kem dia.
udang dei u juvenile sa
Em di jubna. Kimere jubna maki yang samla kapta. Di kimere jubna. Wei ru di kita di jubna.
Obviously, nak menunjuk kerja sequence events dulu kami nanti bakal berbuat.
Di yang ni sequence events kibun kita ki version jong sequence events ki jong kita ki accuse somut jong ki accuse laingot but jong Sonam te I put show ini mi la adab interrogation ini la ban yok exact sequence of events kebaja.
So by when do you think that they'll be taken to Sohar to?
See, once we get the facts of the matter, no, I mean right now the facts are fluid. One person would say something, another person say something. So once we confirm the facts, these are the facts. After we interrogate, we'll have to interrogate all that. What is the fact of the matter? Some people could, because you know it always happens in a crime when we catch a group of people, one person will throw the ball to the other. So whose role is exactly, what was his role, we need to ascertain. And after we've ascertained everybody's role out there, then we'll do the reconstruction. Otherwise we'll have to do reconstruction 2-3 times. And it's not feasible.
So what made the police think that the girl is pregnant now?
No, there were a lot of speculative reports and all that. And it is always in the best of things that, you know, for the safety and safeguards have to be taken. That when we are taking into custody and all that, to ensure that her health is of utmost importance.
so are her family and members involved with Sonam Raghuvanshi
Yang mentah tinggi dang kaji toket kadang sedang la ya kaji toket tinggi la mentep dan shoot badan ketina
dia duk mentah kat nungut kibla syakem
yang mentah te sangut kila syaras buat mentah ke production ni dang production mentah
kalau confess kata mekai balik kadang je shisha sa kata
pi ya kata ngimpat sedang interrogation ha te ngala banong hoi kada keti mentah ngong tangi ngeli ras ya ka bagi dan sebut kada keti kada keti Hynrei banong ban confession kada tang hakut hi mo dia kata ti ngila dia interrogate ngila ban penting kena kalau ka involvement joka kalau kumno but the details joka involvement joka hari ka crime ngila ban penting kena
kisan nakadaw iyo pakapat na kumay kajaka shoy kajaka pat
ti haba kilale en sunto hi haba kala dan ka crime te habi hatnya in habi ari te tang ban lai ki pulit ka plan ka long kum kumwai nanjai ka pulam no ka plan ba tang adin news ni syakem no ka plan ki ka flop
so basically what's her plan
Ami ka plan ya kata tharo plan ho we ngila yo bits and pieces nanjai ya kata ka tharo plan hi in petikna hi adin ban la de interrogation full plan ke ka plan jun ki ngila yo bits and pieces na ki accuse hai maga full plan exactly means yo pada kisi
So now the data will be taken. So on the security front, do you see any issues? Like probably the locals, from the locals, so are there because after all these events that take place.
No, I don't see any issues, but we'll take preventive measures.
Okay. There's not been any people saying that because people are saying that they brought a bad name to the locality, to the village, and Sora.
People of Sora are not violent, and even like I said earlier, also when there was such negative narrative, yet they continued to help in the search. They continued to help in providing information. They cooperated. They cooked food for the search team and all that, and so I don't see any threat but nonetheless, police will just take preventive measures. Kiso thu bakla kata ka transit demand ka ba na Madhya Pradesh ka transit demand na Hazipur ka transit demand ka mut ba hakpor juski na MP ngidim produce na hakak ko ni amba hapo hadin juski ni lambiang sa Madhya Pradesh ne hadin laisi ni lambiang sa Hazipur dikata ka di ketang kapor pagin hajer ka ya ka brio angni hakko juni dikati ketang tak kapor ba aingi
kat musni kai kum nagaliang jong nagaliang polis
ni pada ni pada ni polis ka city Bashwosni dan kamshu in Panchu